Hey, Livy, what did you just tell me you were making?
Elmo and a boat.
You're making an Elmo and a boat. Wow. Is Elmo in the boat? Oh. But what color is Elmo?
Green.
No, what color is Elmo?
White.
No. Think about Elmo on TV. What color is he?
Green.
Think.
Green.
Elmo's red. You're painting with green, but Elmo is actually red. What is your boat on?
Elmo.
On Elmo? Where do you usually see boats? In the what?
And white.
In water. So you got to put some water down there for your boat to float on.
White.
Yeah, on the water. You're a good finger painter, Olivia. Mm-hmm.
Pink.
Paint for another minute, but then it's time to wash our hands.
And yellow too.
We'll put some yellow on there then. Does paint feel squishy on your hands?
Select.
You what?
Select.
Hey, Olivia, what did Miss Rebecca let you do today?
Pink.
Did she let you go behind the counter in the pharmacy? And what did she give you?
Miss.
Medicine bottles, because she's crazy. All right, put it on the page.